All I'm seeing is an angel with some broken wings. She had me tripping, falling forward like I'm sightseeing. A fine being, I couldn't really leave her alone. I guess I'm paying back in liquid with my money gone. And lately I've been trying to find someone to teach me something, but all I get is constant drama mixed with bullshit bluffing. And all I see is women flexing with their hair up, but I never find a woman flex her head to get her pay up. Damn, I'm guessing I was misguided. Been trying to take flight so long, but I'm missing the pilot. And you don't see it, but I'm crying when I write this. And only thing you was worried about was the cockpit. It's funny how emotions coming when it's dark out. That's why I'm writing at 2 AM with the bass loud. Remember talking about the future with a fake smile? Well, what else were you hiding with that devilish mouth? Check the verse and I knew it took the time with you. Going through all of my pages with another issue. And when I canceled my subscription, came back with I miss you. But I don't know if I can buy it cause it with a new dude, claiming you would be there in every direction. But recently you shutting me out, leaving no connection. So guess I hang up the phone. Sorry for thinking that this is something we could hold. We're rap.
Why you always in the mood? Walking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing for your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Walking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing for your rules. Everything look better with a view. I could never get attached. When I start to feel unattached, somehow I was in a feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company.